Welcome, Nene. Sarah, do you believe that trust can be regained after being broken? I mean fully, or does it change depending on people? Do you mean trust in one person, or your sense of trust towards everyone? Mary donated right off the bat. Mary, you just came in and you just donated straight off the bat. Thank you so much for believing in me. I mean, this is the first time you came in? I think it is, right? Yep. Wow. Wow, guys, this is some resonance. This is some abundance resonance straight off the bat, right out the gate. Hello, I Create Lions. I'm here to support you. Wow, amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to the family. You just bought me some watermelon and it's going to a good place. It's going right into my cells. And then that electricity, those electrons from that watermelon in my cells are gonna go up into my brain. So when I read people's questions, it can go into my throat and instantly I can give good feedback. So that's what you guys are supporting. Sarah donated, thank you so much. Thanks so much, Sarah. Thank you, Mary. Everyone that donated. You are keeping this dirty hippie afloat in the world. Supporting me, support you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So Sarah, you said, do you believe that trust can be regained after being broken, or does it change depending on people? Are you asking, can trust be regained with one person after that person has broken the trust, or like your sense of trust in the world or in everyone, sort of like thinking there's danger everyone? First, okay. It really depends on the people. It really depends on the person. Some people will feel safe to you, and some people won't feel safe to you. Some people will feel like they're trustworthy, some people not. And changed behavior is the best apology. People can say I'm sorry and change nothing, and then say I'm sorry again, and then change nothing, and then say I'm sorry again and change nothing. So trust can be regained, but the change in the person that made you lose trust in them has to be very, very profound. And they really gotta know what they did. And you guys have to communicate it very clearly. And that person, first and foremost, has to have the capacity to even self-reflect on things, to be introspective, to take like constructive criticism, not personally but constructively, and not many people can do that. And most of the time also trust has nothing to do with you. It just means that they are not stable. So don't think that you are not worthy of somebody trusting you. It's more in the sense that there's something in their life that makes them unstable and not trustworthy. Most generally, when people betray other people, it's because they betray themselves. When people can't be honest with other people, it's because they can't be honest with themselves. When they can't love others, it's because they can't love themselves. Everything is both things. Everything is the vibration that you're holding. If you inside of yourself have a vibration of betrayal, you're gonna betray yourself, meaning not speak authentically, say no when you want to say yes when you want to say no. But you're also, in the same sense, because you're holding that vibration, you're just gonna give it to everyone else. It's gonna be betrayal. It's gonna be, if you don't trust yourself with your decisions, and you're not safe just being who you are, you're not gonna trust anyone else. It's just the vibration that you're holding. If somebody is not able to give love, it means that they don't love themselves. They can't give you anything because they're not giving themselves anything. In a sense of rest, good food, saying no to things, saying boundaries, going away from somebody, getting closer to someone else, picking another job, changing habits, whatever, you know. It's an all-encompassing thing. So trust can be regained, but that person has to be, the other person really needs to have a, like, you know, when you will feel if you can trust them suddenly. You will feel a difference. And it's not gonna, you're not gonna have to think about it or ponder on it or ask somebody, is this person now trustworthy or not? If you have lost trust in somebody, the only way to regain their trust is if you really feel like they're a different person. Like you really look at them and you, in all honesty, can say inside yourself, wow, who are you now? Who is this now? So, in a sense, you don't regain trust in the same person, you just meet a new person that now you can trust. But that transition inside of the other person, that they change so much that they feel fresh to you, is difficult as fuck. It's shadow work. It's burning off all of your bullshit. Not a lot of people can do that.